Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property. Today I'm going to show you this 30 by 40 east facing independent building having 5 houses, 3 2 BHK and 2 1 BHK units. Ground floor car parking and 2 bedroom hall kitchen unit, east facing entrance, teakwood main door, granite flooring throughout the house, DC converted BBMP Khata land, clear title layout and property. So this is hall, TV unit, and this is puja east facing. Both entrance and puja room is east facing. Ground, first, second and third floor, pillar based construction. As per Vastu, in the southeast corner this is kitchen. Modular kitchen, granite platform, granite sink, wooden windows, loft, storage, provision to keep refrigerator. And this is the master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom, one attached and one common bathroom, wardrobe semi furnished. Right round setback is given, compound wall 30 by 40 plot. Next to this common bathroom. Fittings will be provided, bathroom taps, toilet, hand wash basin will be provided. And this is the second room, corner front facing, good natural ventilation is there. If you are aware, we have created a brand new website, ebangaloreproperty.com. Main thing advantage is only available properties are listed. Every day we update the website. As soon as the property gets sold, we remove the listing from the website, and it is a fully interactive website. As per your requirement, you can search through the maps, properties are listed, you can search through the price range, type of property, rental income, apartments, builder floors, independent houses, gated communities, and completely interactive search module is there. Very advanced search options are given based on the features also, like A Khata, B Khata. You can filter the property. Every day we update the website, and website has more details. Like YouTube channel you get only the videos, but website you have the photo gallery, features, location, and you will be able to immediately send us email through the website itself. Contact forms are there. Videos are also integrated within the website. So keep visiting our website for latest properties, and all the properties go first live almost immediately on the website. Then later on, after a few days, it will be coming on our channel. So that was a small advertisement of our own website. Let's continue to see the property now. You saw the ground floor portion. First floor and second floor 2 BHK 2 units. Both are typical exactly same floor. So one unit I'm going to show you. These are bigger 2 BHK houses. Spacious bigger living room, entry balcony area, and then east facing entrance. Large living room. Full floor 1 2 BHK. So the again granite flooring, TV unit, 2 windows in the hall, getting dining space also separate. This is dining, puja room east facing again. This puja room has a teakwood door, small storage space. This is kitchen in the southeast, granite platform, granite sink, storage cabinets are there. About 15 to 20 days of work is pending, final painting, polishing and bathroom fittings. These things will be done by the seller himself. And rooms are similar to what you saw on the ground floor. This is first room with wardrobes, common bathroom. And this is the master bedroom with attached bathroom. So first floor, second floor, both are identical. This is the master bedroom in southwest, attached bathroom. All ISO certified branded materials have been used. Pillar based construction, solid cement blocks, good foundation, good track record of the builder. Now let's go to the top floor. Third floor has two 1 BHK and 1 BHK houses. So this is third floor, two units side by side, one east facing. This is east facing unit, 1 BHK. This has vitrified flooring. Hall, puja. This is puja room. The main concept of this building is for self-use and rental income. You can stay in one floor and get rental income from the other 4 houses. Or two brothers want to stay together, it's a good option. Family, joint families. So that was kitchen. This is master bedroom. Wardrobes, attached bathroom, western toilet, shower, hand wash basin, all part of the deal. UPS point, fridge point, washing machine point, everything is planned well. This is the other house. It has south facing door actually, but 1 BHK tenants may not consider so much of vastu also. South facing is fine for renting purpose. So this is hall, TV, kitchen and bedroom and attached bathroom. Above rooftop overhead tanks are there. Solar provision is made and you have own borewell. Sump is also there in the ground floor. Bescom meters are there, individual house, 5 meters and 1 common meter. Let me show you the terrace area also. Multiple options are available. If you call the number given in the description of the video, you can discuss your requirement. If not this house, there are other options also like 72, 75, 90, 1 crore, 120. Many options are there around Ramamurthy Nagar area. So please call or WhatsApp and discuss your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thank you.